In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store. So I'm going to teach you all of the different things you should do to your Shopify store before you go live. Now, this isn't going to be how to like build the store and make it look nice. It's more like the settings and the basic layout, stuff like that. So first of all, the first thing you want to do is go into settings and you want to change your store details. So in here, we can change a few things. We can change the store name. So I'm going to change this to Earl's Store. In here, you want to put your phone number. Now, beware that these will appear on your site, so don't put your personal stuff and the stuff you don't want to see. Store email. So this is what what Shopify will email you to. Next, you want to go to billing information. You want to change this to so it's your information here. After that, you want to go down here to store currency, select the currency you're in, and make sure you do this before you have an order on your store, because if not, you will not be able to change it and you'll have to speak to support, and it's a bit long. Now, you can change the currency to anything you want, and in here you want to change the formatting. So at the first, it will look like this and this, but you want to change the formatting so that you can have things like currency conversion on your site. Now, it looks like this is the kind of code you want on them, so you pause here if you want to and just look at this. If not, I've got another video on the channel about how to convert currency, which is very, very good and will help you and save you a lot of time. You want to go here to the time zone, the unit of measurements, what you do, and then we've got the order ID. So we've got the prefix, so this is before, and you've got the suffix, so you can put like GB. So this is how your order numbers will appear. L1001 GB, whatever you want to do. Cool. So we can hit save on here. Now, that's the store settings, store details. The next thing you can do is you can go onto your plan. You can choose your plan here. Go for the most basic one. Our next step here would be to activate Shopify payments. So the way that we would do this is we would click here and it would ask us for all our information. And that will mean that people can actually pay for stuff on your site. Next, we have checkout. I recommend doing your settings like this. So go email. So they only have to put their email in. Require first and last name. Don't include company. Option 2, line 2 optional. Don't require shipping address, but you can put optional if you'd like to. Marketing, pre-select email, have SMS there. We need to set that up though. Tipping at checkout, you may as well put this on because people will do this and it's free money. Have all these like this. And you can have some additional scripts here if you have like pixels installed, but this is all you need for now, so click save on that. Shipping delivery, it's pretty easy to set up. I've got another video about that on the channel, so if you need to know about that, go check it out. Markets, I also have another video about markets, but this is if you want to sell to other countries, you need to set that up. I have another video about that on the channel. And that's all you need for here. Now, the next thing you want to do is go to online store and you want to go down to preferences. So in preferences, you're going to be able to put the homepage title. So I'm going to put Earl's Store. Homepage meta description. So this will come underneath the title in stuff like Google. So you can put a little description about what it is. I help people with their problems, whatever you do, whatever your store sells. That'll be like the thing people see underneath when you search on Google. Here's your Google Analytics stuff, all that kind of stuff. You've got your Facebook pixel set up here, your customer privacy. You can change all this to what you need it to, and down here you have the password for the store and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to hit save here. So those are the basic setups of the store, and now we're ready to do like some visual customizations. We want to go into the store and go to customize. Now, first of all, here you can just rearrange all of the pieces of the site wherever you want to. I'm going to teach you about like the header and footer for now, and rather not the body. So the announcement bar, you can change this. This is basically this bar at the top. Change it to what you want. So grab 50%. 50% off today only, and you put like a link in there so when people click on it, it will send them to the proper place. You can add like another announcement here if you want to have like a three announcements or whatever. I'll just leave that there. In the header, you can add blocks. So if you wanted to add like reviews, you could have reviews in the header. It's there. You can fiddle around with the settings here. You can add little bits in the header, whatever you want. You can also add other sections in the header. So you can add custom liquid homepage video. So I did like a video. You can have that there. Now be aware that the header is on the top of every single page. So make sure it's something you want to be seen on every single page. You can add custom liquid here. So this is like custom code, whatever. Also here you can change the color scheme. And I'll show you how to change the color schemes now. So color schemes, you want to go to theme settings and you want to go to colors. And basically these are the different color schemes. You want to have like 2 main color schemes. You want to have like a dark one and a light one. So we'd go into here and we'd like edit this one. So scheme 3, we can change the colors in here. So we could have like this kind of background, and we could have a like this. We could have like shadows like here. This would be like a slightly different color scheme, so that you can just fiddle around with that. Next, we can do the logo. We can add a logo in here. This is going to pop up here, so I'll do that for you now. I'll just put this as the logo. It's pretty ugly, but it will do. And also here we have the favicon. So this is the little image that pops up on the top here when you're searching for like you see this logo here, that's what it is. You can change the size of these as well if you want to. Bloody hell, that's big. Next, we've got the typography. So you can change the fonts. I like to use Montserrat, it's a really good font. Montserrat black, I like that one. I find that really good. You can change the animations. So when you hover over things, there'll be like an effect. You can see here like the 3D lift effect. You can turn that off if you'd like to. Buttons, you can change how the buttons look. You can change sort of all of these different settings down here, depending on what you need to look at. So I'm not going to go through all of them because they're pretty self-explanatory. Now the next thing is the footer. This is the same on every single page, so make sure you keep what you want in there. That's to be on every page. You can add text, you can add links, you can add reviews, all that kind of stuff. Lastly, the last thing you want to kind of fiddle with is you go down to checkout, and you can change the checkout here. So you can put a checkout logo in here, checkout colors, all that kind of stuff to make it customized to your own store. But that's basically a basic overview of how to customize your Shopify store. And if you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that this helped. So thank you for watching.